Stellantis has revealed its unexpected strategy to challenge the growing wave of Chinese electric vehicles in Europe, and in a twist of irony, its main weapon is itself a Chinese EV. The newcomer is the Leapmotor A10, which will be sold in Europe as the B03x. Following its world premiere at the Guangzhou Auto Show, this compact electric SUV is now confirmed from multiple European markets, including Germany. Positioned below the slightly larger B10, the B03x enters one of the most competitive segments in today's EV landscape, aiming directly at buyers seeking an affordable yet well-equipped electric crossover. The design of the Leapmotor A10 or B03x reflects the clean, rounded surfaces that define the brand's current design language. It features Citroën-like wraparound windows, gentle plastic cladding, and sleek LED lighting with darkened clusters. The taillight graphics resemble smiling emojis, adding a touch of fun to what is otherwise a simple, functional exterior. Riding on 18-inch alloy wheels, the B03x is offered in 6 body colors, including the standout seaweed green and acorn brown. A roof-mounted LiDAR unit and multiple sensors around the vehicle indicate that advanced driver assistance systems will be part of its standard equipment. In terms of dimensions, the new EV measures a little over 4,200 millimeters in length, 1,800 millimeters in width, and 1,600 millimeters in height. With a wheelbase exceeding 2,600 millimeters, the B03x fits comfortably within the small SUV category. While specific powertrain details have not yet been announced, Leapmotor has confirmed that the SUV will be powered by a high-energy density LFP battery with an estimated CLTC range of 500 kilometers. This likely means the B03x will feature a single electric motor setup, prioritizing efficiency and affordability for urban and suburban driving. The interior has not yet been fully revealed, as the show car's windows remained heavily tinted at Guangzhou. However, based on Leapmotor's recent models, the cabin will be minimalist, focusing on a wide infotainment screen and a clean dashboard layout. The company also promises an AI-driven cockpit, 5-passenger seating, and extensive over-the-air update support, ensuring the vehicle's software and features remain fresh over time. The B03x is built on Leapmotor's brand-new global A-segment platform, making it the first model to inaugurate this architecture. It will also spawn a related compact hatchback scheduled for debut in 2026. Both models are expected to be key players in Stellantis' push to offer more affordable EV options across Europe. The compact EV crossover market in Europe is one of the most contested segments, filled with strong rivals such as the Citroën E3 Aircross, Opel Frontera Electric, Renault 4 E-Tech, Kia EV3, Peugeot E200, Fiat 600e, Jeep Avenger, Alfa Romeo Jr., Ford Puma Gen E, and upcoming models from Volkswagen and Skoda. Stellantis states that the new B03x is aimed at customers seeking a reliable second car or drivers transitioning from traditional combustion vehicles without sacrificing space, safety, or technology. The relationship between Stellantis and Leapmotor has grown significantly since Stellantis acquired a 51% stake in Leapmotor International, the joint venture overseeing global distribution outside China. This investment followed a €1.5 billion contribution in 2023, giving Stellantis a powerful role in guiding Leapmotor's expansion. The results speak for themselves, as Leapmotor delivered more than 395,000 vehicles globally between January and September 2025, marking a 129% year-over-year increase. The momentum continued into October as the company achieved 70,289 sales, its 6th consecutive record-breaking month, and pushing its total sales beyond 1 million units. The Leapmotor B03x is shaping up to be Stellantis' boldest step yet in offering a serious, affordable challenger in the European EV market, using Chinese innovation and global scale to reshape the future of compact electric SUVs.